नमस्कार येवकार तुमकां सगळ्यांक। आमी लास्ट वीक पळयलें की चिंबेल हांगसर धारवाडकर कॉलनी हांगसर इल्लिगल बोरवेल मारला कोणी तरी कंप्लेंट केल्या आणि लास्ट वीक WRDचे ऑफिशियल्स इंजिनियर्स तशेंच ते सगळे चिंबेल वचून त्या वाठारांत वचून तेंच्यांनी इन्स्पेक्शन केल्या। तर आयज आमी त्या वाठारांत वतले आनी पळयतले की एक्चुअल हांगसर कितले घरां आनी कितले इल्लिगल बोरवेल मारल्या ते। कंप्लेंट केल्ली की बोरवेल हांगसर डीप करता तुका ते कशें कळ्ळें थंयसर बोरवेल आहा?
पयले सुवातेर हांव म्हज्या गोंयकारांक नमस्कार म्हणटा आनी म्हाका ही संदी दिली एक्सप्लेनेशन करपाक हें कशें घडलें तें हांव चड उपकारी ह्या चॅनलाचेर। पयले सुवातेर थिंगा बोरवेल डिगींग जातालें आनी तें डिगींग जातालें म्हणून सगळें उदक मेन रोडाचेर आनी ती स्लोप आसा ते मेन रोडाचेर उदक व्हांवोन व्हांवोन ते आमच्या कपेला कडेन पावलें। आनी जेन्ना हांव त्या वटेन वयतालें तेन्ना म्हटलें हें उदक कोणाचें पायप तरी फुटला काय अशें म्हणून चिंतून हांवें तें ट्रेस केलें। ट्रेस कोत्ता कोत्ता हांव त्या जाग्यार पावलें जें लास्ट घोर आसा पळय तें, आनी त्या घरान पावतकच थिंगा बोरवेलिंगाचो ट्रक डिगींग कोत्तालो तो ट्रक आसलो आनी ती मनशां आसलेलीं आनी हे भाशेन हांव त्या जाग्यार पावलें। आनी तेन्ना हांवें ती कंप्लेंट पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर पयलें केलें, पुलिसांक आपयलें, म्हाजेर हल्ला जालोलो थिंगा। तरी आसतना हांव धांवलें, ट्रका कडेन गेलें, ते स्टॉप करिना म्हणून चावी काडली, चावी घेवन हांवें ती पुलिसांक आपयलें। पुलीस रोखडेच येयले, तिंकां घेवन ट्रकाक घेवन पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर ओल्ड गोवा येयले। हें म्हाजें फर्स्ट स्टेप। सेकंड स्टेप हांवें एक ईमेल घातली WRDक आनी सांगलें थिंगा इल्लिगल बोरवेल आसा म्हणून आनी तें डिगींग जाता आनी तें स्टॉप जायना। After 4 days, the WRD officials promptly acted. We went to see that one borewell. So when that borewell was captured by them, they said, why only we? This whole line has the borewells. And so we inspected them, but they were not cooperating with us. That made the WRD to take another inspection. So there was a second inspection. So when the second inspection happened, they served them the notices and to the electricity department. आता हे सगळे बोरवेल्स जेन्ना आमी इन्स्पेक्शन केला थिंगा 60 बोरवेल्स आमकां मेवले सद्याक, फ्रॉम वीच 10 houses were closed. People were inside, but they locked themselves not to come to the media or not to come for the notice or not, we should not enter their premises. हे भाशेन तिणी केलेले आसा. Now the first thing is the punch member is staying in that locality only. Now why I went very deep into this is because I wanted them to have good water supply, because our government says हर घर में नल and हर नल में जल. So that is the prospect that why not water supply to these people, why this water resources is being robbed, literally robbed. I would make an allegation that this water is robbed. If they wanted water supply, did they approach the panchayat? Why was the occupancy letter given to them? The final occupancy letter, why was it given if they had no basic necessities? So these are my allegations. But my sarpanch, who is a dynamic sarpanch, I call him still a dynamic sarpanch, very young, first time sarpanch, he should have gone into the matter. He misunderstood it. It was not during his tenure that these borewells happened. You know, some borewells are under the road, which is the road, proposed road for them. It is under the roads, but the connections are given. We caught them on the electricity. The wires going to the pump, we caught it on that basic. So there are many hidden treasures there, which we need to find out more. So this is only a small amount of borewells that we have found. So we will be having another inspection in Ward 7 also. Not only in Ward 7, in the whole of Kadamba Plateau. I appeal to the WRD minister, the WRD officers, to please conduct your inspection in other wards also. Whole of Chimbel. Let Chimbel be clean. Let Chimbel come out clean. So my intention is that all the people should not be denied from drinking water. My only appeal is this. I am not against their constructions, whether it is legal or whether it is illegal. I am not bothered about that, but I am bothered about the basic necessity. As an NGO, I feel that my people, my villagers need to have clean water.
तुवें सांगला विशय ते पंच मेंबर थंय त्याच लोकेलिटीन रावता.
Yeah, not even half
She was
kilometer.
not aware of that.
When the first borewell digging was done, actually the person who I interrogated and I was live, they told me that it was with due permission of the punch member. Now I don't want to tell this because he may be wrong, he might be telling in fright. So I inquired with the punch member, with her husband also. They too told me that I have not given anybody any permission. This is what I know about it.
But she was aware कित्याक म्हणजे जेन्ना बोरवेल डिगिंग करता ना साऊंड येता.
Of course, if I can get the sound from here to there, she must be getting. That is her.
She would have stopped.
She would have stopped. She should have stopped. She should have not encouraged this. That is what I can say.
Yes.
I just want to make a statement. See, people are going to the MLAs, people are going to the Sarpanch, but people also approach to me saying, what will you get? What is the benefit you get in destroying or on sealing the borewells? I would like to make it clear, Babano, तुमच्या खातीर वावुरता तुमकां बरें उदक मेळपा खातीर. कारण तुमचे कडेन वोटिंग कार्ड्स आहा, तुमचें घर रजिस्टर्ड आहा, तुमचे कडेन उदकूच ना जाल्यार ही फॅसिलिटी जरी तर आमकां सगल्यांक तुमकां कित्याक ना? सो दिस इज द इनजस्टीस विथ योर. And I have requested the WRD minister, according to my calculation, you will get 1+ crore of rupees by fining them. This is according to the minister's statement. Now, if you are getting such a huge amount, please utilize this amount to them or give it to the PWD and give them the proper pipeline, proper drinking water. This is only my request. I have no grudge against you all.
आता सध्या तांकां PWD water supply
Now, it is very shocking. Now at the lower section there is water. The punch member has water. Why not them? Why not them? If the punch member who is staying in that same area can get tap water, then why not them? So it is the duty of the concerned punch member. But then I'll tell you one more thing. There are more borewells in Ward 7. It is not that we have stopped in this. Let us clear this. I want to see what action the WRD is going to take. And if not, I am going to file a PIL in the High Court. That is for sure. And I will see that they are fined. They should be fined for the robbery.
What was the report after the inspection?
After the inspection, we got that it was 60. 60. But there are more which the doors are locked, I said. The doors are locked. Those to be inspected. There are more in Ward 7. As you come down, there are more, and I know it is going to cross 100.
Why Ward number 7 don't have PWD water supply?
Now that the Sarpanch, acting Sarpanch is so dynamic, I appeal to him.
They not applied for the connection?
Yeah, see there are two prospects of this. One, I am giving an example of Serram Residency. They have water connection, but they couldn't pay the bills and that was disconnected. And because it was disconnected, the MLA also helped them in paying the money, but still they have done the borewell. Still they have done the borewell. So if you are getting free water, why will the people go for the tap water? This is their concept that I don't want. Because this mineral, this water resource belongs to whole of Chimbel. It is not that to the particular section of people who are staying on the hill. No, I am also staying in the hill. I can dig a borewell. Who will know? I will dig hidingly.
What is the cost for digging the borewell?
That I don't know. See, I'll tell you first of all, I don't know. It will be over 1 lakh maybe. It will be over 1 lakh.
They could have get connection.
Very true. See, I will tell another thing, that there should be a law implemented on such things. Now, when this borewell diggers are coming, they should have license, which they don't have. Because I have asked whether they have license, they said no. But still, this borewell trucks are not been attached. Why? Why no investigation has been done on these trucks? There are if you go on Kadamba Plateau, you will see they are advertise of bore wells given and the numbers. Just go near the tunnel, near Sai Baba tunnel and all, there are advertised of bore wells to be dug. So whole of Kadamba Plateau doesn't have water in fact. And there are more bore wells. I'll tell you, these are the big, these are small sharks. The big sharks also have bore wells. Gharas will be having, all the other societies will be having. Have a check. NI is not there for all this whole village. It is the duty of the WRD. I put allegations on the WRD officers. Do a checkup, periodical checkup. See from where they are getting the water. They have built the tanks, filling the borewell waters in that, and they say they bring in the water from the tanker. This was in Dharwadkar. And I'll tell you one more fact, that when we were doing the inspection, the water was done for business purpose. And the water was supplied to MVR. That was on the label was on the truck. That can be also found out by the WRD. They have the statements over there. And please, if anyone wants any clarification, you all can come and meet me. I am there to help you all. I am there to help you all.
तर आम्ही ऐकला की सरकार केन्नाय म्हणटा हर घर जल हर घर नल, हे सगळें आमी आयकलां. पण चिंबेल ह्या वाठारांत धारवाडकर कॉलनीन आमी पळयल्यार आमकां हें कळोंक येता की हर घर बोरवेल हो शब्द सारको हांगासर सूट जाता. कित्याक म्हणजे हांगा जेन्ना लास्ट वीक WRDचे ऑफिशियल इंजिनियर सगळे हांगासर आयले इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक, तर तांकां इल्लिगल 60 बोरवेल गावले. एना ग्रासियस हांणी कंप्लेंट केले, मेल केल्लो WRDक. तेज्या उपरांत ते हांगासर इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक आयले. हांकां सरकार वॉटर कनेक्शन दिवपाक फेल जाला काय कितें असो एक प्रश्न पडटा. पण तसो ना, हांच्यांनी अप्लाय सुद्दां करूंक ना वॉटर कनेक्शना खातीर. ह्या वाठारांतले जे पंच मेंबर आसा ते सुद्दां ह्याच वाठारांत सकयलूच रावता, पण तेंगेर वॉटर कनेक्शन, टॅप वॉटर कनेक्शन आसा जे गव्हर्मेंट PWD वॉटर सप्लाय करता. तर हे जे 60 बोरवेल जेंच्यांनी मारला तेंच्यांनी ह्या उदका खातीर वॉटर कनेक्शना खातीर तेंच्यांनी एप्लाय करूंक ना, म्हणून तेंच्या घरात नळ ना. त्या खातीर हांकां बोरवेल मारचो पडलो. कित्याक बोरवेल ते मारल्या उपरांत तांकां लायफ टायम जे वॉटर पयशे जे भरचे पडटा, उदकाचें बील जे भरचें पडटा, ते तांकां वॉटर बील ते पयशे सेव करपा खातीर बोरवेल म्हणल्यार जे लायफ टायम ते उदक यूज करूं शकता. जेन्ना पंच मेंबर ह्याच वाठारांत जे रावता थंयसर 60 बोरवेल मेळ्ळा इल्लिगल, त्याच वाठारांत रावताल्यार तेणी आडोवंक ना. कित्याक हो एक मोठो प्रश्न पडटा. त्या टायमाचो जो सरपंच आसलो तेज्या नजरेन ह्या पंच मेंबरान हाडूंक ना कित्याक, आनी ते एक्शन कित्याक घेवंक ना हो एक मोठो प्रश्न पडटा.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.